Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we coloring the shape of star, pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and the last one is trapezoid. First we coloring the shape of star, and now we are using the color of blue. Now we're mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is pentagon. Kids, now we're using the color of green. Now we're using green color. Subscribe to our channel. The shape of pentagon. The next one is a square. Kids, now we're using the color of yellow. And the next one is triangle. Kids, now we are using the color of black. Now we're coloring triangle. The shape of triangle. And the next one is circle. Kids, now we're using red color. The last one is trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.